The two questions I always get asked when I share that I have a YouTube channel are, how many subscribers do I have? And how much money do I make? I've typically seen these how much I make on YouTube videos done by creators who have tens or hundreds of thousands of subscribers. So today I wanted to share how much I make on YouTube with less than 10,000 subscribers. It's no surprise anymore that YouTube can be anything from a side hustle to a full-time career. If you're new to the game of running a YouTube channel, creators can make money various ways, from running ads on their videos to sharing affiliate links and sponsorships. For today's video, I'm going to share my top 5 income streams that come from having a YouTube channel. Now, the amount of money made from these streams varies from month to month, so when I bring them each up individually, I'm just going to share an average. Also, if there's any content or questions you'd like answered in future videos about starting a YouTube channel or growing it organically, let me know down below in the comments. I remember starting a channel and feeling completely lost in terms of what videos would get views, what videos people were looking for, and especially ways to monetize on YouTube.com. It's not all about views and subscribers, as you'll see when you see each of these streams. But let's get into it. How much I make on YouTube with less than 10,000 subscribers. Number one should be no surprise to anyone, and that is Google AdSense. I currently run 2 YouTube channels that have ads running on their videos. It's difficult to get specific with the amount I get from each video. It honestly depends on a few factors: how long someone watches, the country that they're watching from, and did they let ads play on their video. On average, every 5,000 views on my channel earns me right about $100. Also, because I own and operate both YouTube channels, my Google AdSense every month is a combination of how much they've each earned, and I get one check. So I didn't want anyone to think that because I run 2 channels, I get 2 separate AdSense checks. I get one check that is the lump sum of both channels' AdSense earnings. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, sometimes a video only gets 1,000 views and it gets maybe between $18 and $20 in AdSense, and that's all the creator will get for writing, scripting, shooting, editing, rendering, making the thumbnail is just $20. Now again, I'm a small channel. Hopefully over time, the average amount of views my videos get will go up. But of course, as you guys should know by now, YouTube is a gamble. It is not a everybody get rich quick scheme. It does take time to build your platform, grow your community, and get better at filming your videos. Also, for anybody who doesn't know, any video longer than 8 minutes can have multiple ads placed throughout the video. Once you have the ability to monetize your videos, again, having 1,000 subscribers and a certain number of watch hours, I highly recommend going back through your bank of already made and posted videos and adding in ads. Typically, 1 to 2 ads is fine. Any more and your viewers might take notice and maybe won't like having to see so many ads when they go to watch your content. If you guys would like to see a tutorial and a walkthrough of how to place ads on existing videos, let me know down below in the comments. Right now, with less than 10,000 subscribers, my Google AdSense each and every month is somewhere between $700 and $1,500 per month. Now again, certain times of year, my traffic will be higher, and other parts of the year, it will be quite low. So on average, $700 to $1,500. Next to my income streams are affiliate links. For me, I make around $100 to $150 each and every month just through having these links. If you look in the description box of any of my videos, you'll see links to things I mention. What I use as an online traveling teacher, the equipment I use to shoot and film my videos, and they all provide a small amount of compensation brought back to myself. Think of these affiliate links kind of like a credit card with cash back. If a viewer clicks on one of my links and makes a purchase, a small amount of the website's profit goes to me. It's nothing crazy, somewhere between 1% and 4%, but that person who went and bought the item pays no extra. So for Amazon, if someone clicks on my Amazon link and they buy something for $100, somewhere between $1 and $4 goes to me, and that person doesn't have to pay any extra. My compensation comes out of the profit Amazon makes on the purchase. It's honestly a great way for viewers to support content creators without having to pay any extra than what they were already going to purchase. More recently on this channel, I've been using Amazon and Rise Coffee. You might have seen me using Rise in a lot of my vlogs this summer as a teacher, and I shared where I got it. Having Nitro coffee delivered to your door is fantastic. People saw that in the videos, went down, I had a discount code for them, and every time they ordered, I got between $10 and $15 in affiliates. Number 3 are sponsored links. These earn me anywhere between $75 and $100 per month. Sponsored links are very similar to affiliates. The only thing that's different is the payout is usually higher. For example, I had a sponsored link from Duval Skincare. If somebody saw me mention it in a video and went into the description box and clicked that sponsored link, instead of being 1 to 4%, it was a set amount. For example, if they bought the $25 skincare package, $4 of that purchase went to me. So it's not percentage based, it is more concrete. You are paid this amount of money every time somebody makes a purchase from the sponsored links. To be completely transparent, these are not presented to me each and every month, but the discount codes that I put in the video stay valid, so they continue to bring in passive income even months after I've shared the content. Also, this is not to be confused with sponsorships, where a set amount is agreed upon before the video is filmed and posted. This is also a good time to tell you that this video is brought to you by Skillshare. With thousands of online classes, Skillshare can help you improve your professional skill set, start that side hustle, pursue a passion project, and so much more. To get 2 free months of unlimited classes on Skillshare, click the link down below in the description box. There are no commitments and you guys can cancel at any time. And just like I mentioned before, anybody who goes down below in the description and clicks the Skillshare link will get 2 months free, and a small set amount from Skillshare goes to my sponsored link account. Number 4 are video editing projects. Each month I get emails from fellow teachers, small YouTubers, and content creators asking for help in editing projects. This typically brings in about $250 to sometimes even $400 per month. Honestly, with so many new teachers starting YouTube channels and joining platforms to teach online, I've opted to edit their required intro videos, profile photos, and even beginner YouTube content. While I'm obviously no expert in this, I've been assisting other YouTubers in editing their videos and even scheduling Zoom meetings to discuss growth strategies with their various platforms. Honestly, this income stream came sort of by mistake. I always put my email address down below in the description box so people can ask me questions, but then over time, those questions turned into, can I pay you to edit these videos? I have no expertise in any editing software, so it just kind of came about by accident, but again, they found it and it became a stream from having a YouTube channel. And number 5 are speaking gigs, podcasts, interviews, advice, or even like pick your brain Zoom meetings. Now these happen every 2 to 3 months, but I wanted to include these on this list because when the right one comes along, it pays very well. One company hires me to host and MC a conference every year, and the pay exceeds $1,200. What I've learned over time is that you never know exactly who is watching your videos. I received an invite to speak on a podcast from a woman who watched a video about my life and times working on board cruise ships 2 years after I posted the video. In a way, your videos can kind of serve as a resume of your expertise. Honestly, you never know when someone's gonna click on your content and then present you with a new opportunity. So those are my 5 streams of income that come with having a YouTube channel, and the one that I haven't yet put on this list are full brand deals. And that is when companies pay you exclusively to promote or review their products or services. You'll know it's a brand deal when YouTubers typically say things like, today's video is sponsored by, or thank you to XYZ for sponsoring today's video. With having less than 10,000 subscribers, I have to say I do get offered brand deals, but they are not from brands that I like or would want to use or discuss on my channel. For example, I get a lot of like skinny teas and waistbands for weight loss and just things my subscribers and viewers know I don't use. I've done a lot of weight loss and keto videos around the time I was getting ready to get married. So I was getting a lot of brand deal offers from try these diet pills, try this tea, try this or that and sponsor it on your channel. And the money wasn't great. Again, these were just random companies that I was not interested in using. I actually just deleted them. And they were offering somewhere in the ballpark of $150 to $500 for the brand deal. And again, I say this not to brag, just to let you know that if you are also growing a channel, you may get brand deal offers when you have a small channel. I recommend you really think about the brands you want to sponsor on your channel. Again, if I had taken that brand deal from Skinny Teas, my viewers and subscribers would know that it's not something I used when I was losing weight on keto. They saw what I was eating, they saw my exercise regime, and Skinny Tea was not a part of it. Should any more come about as my channel continues to grow, I might make an additional video just to show extra income streams. And again, this video and any future ones are not made to brag. They are just honestly made so I can look back and remember, and so anybody else looking to grow their channel can know what to expect in terms of money when you're sitting around let me look at my numbers, just under 9,500 subscribers. I am hoping to hit the 10K milestone soon, and then I'm going to focus on my next milestone, which is 25,000 subscribers. At this point in time, my income is still very part-time, but as I continue to grow and try different things, I'm hoping to continue to grow this community and outreach, and then eventually the monetization that comes from AdSense and affiliate links. If you guys want more videos on YouTube techniques and strategies, let me know by giving this video a huge thumbs up, and let me know what video topics you would find interesting down below in the comment section. At this point in time, I currently have this video sharing how to get your first 100 engaged subscribers. None of that sub for sub or, leave a comment and I'll sub to you kind of talk. I'm talking engaged subscribers that will actually watch your content. And I have a video, which is basically a full tutorial showing you how to change your YouTube URL. Long story short, I spent an absurd amount of time figuring out how to change it, and then when I finally figured it out, I made an actual screen sharing tutorial. Essentially, if you have 100 subscribers on your channel, you can change your URL to be youtube.com/ whatever you want. I'll put links to both of those videos in the cards and down below in the description box. Also, in the future, I want to do a video analyzing 2 videos on this channel. Both of them have reached 30,000 views, so I just want to do a comparison on watch time, comments, thumbs up, engagements, and of course, monetization. Let me know down below your guesses, and I will share your comment and your channel name if you guess correctly. How much money do you think a video on YouTube with 30,000 views would get? Once again, let me know down below in the comments, and I will share your comment if you are closest. But other than that, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Leave a comment about what you want to see down below in the comments as well, and I will see you all in a future video.